What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. Bullish as fuck with this video, people. Hycroft Mining, growing through challenges. Hycroft Mining Corporation. And it was written October 10th, which is today. And it says that BlackRock Fund Advisors recently announced the acquisition of new stake in Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, HYMC. The institutional investor has increased his shareholders in the basic minerals company by 3,358.11% Friday. Interesting. Now, I already know some of you naysayers are going to say, oh, that don't mean nothing. They were in AMC. Yes, they were the largest two shareholders, because right here we see Vanguard Group raised its holdings by 5.46 million to 6.95 million shares, and Renaissance Technologies has lifted its position by 302.05% to 2.34 million shares to 3.11 million shares. Amazing. These same people were long AMC, if you can remember, and I kind of felt they were in trouble when the Russian invasion of Ukraine took over, and all the world currencies, bonds and stuff from Russia and China and the rest of them were all going into the tank. And I knew BlackRock was in trouble. That's why I did the video called Blood in the Water. And it appears as if after the world economic situation is being shaken up, they've decided Hycroft Mine is a good place for them to set their money for a little bit into the future, and they could shake back their losses from the Russian bonds, the China Evergrande shit, and everything else. So I feel as if BlackRock, Vanguard, and Renaissance, along with everybody else out there, is trying to restructure things and strengthen their position and bring more profits to their clients. And they've chose Hycroft to be one of those stocks that they have chosen to do that with. Scroll on down and we see an analyst of what Wall Street brokers have to say about the expected price targets for this stock gives us a picture. One analyst who have offered their price forecast for HYMC have a consensus price objective of $13. The analysts have set the share's price value over the next 12 months at a high of 13 and a low of 13 should the stock experience a downside. Incidentally, analysts' outlook for Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation stock is $3 for the next 12 months, but an upside of 95.38% will see the stock hit the forecast high price target, while mean target price of the stock is $13. Now, that's what most analysts are believing, that Hycroft can reach up to $13. However, I believe it's going to go a lot higher than that, simply because we have an initial drilling of 6 holes, and of those 6 holes, 6 out of 6 produce not only gold and silver, but a higher grade of gold and silver than initially was expected. So that's why I'm bullish, and I still have my call options for October and November, and I'll be setting up some for January pretty soon. Now, do I recommend you buy Hycroft? If you're tired of buying AMC, then you buy a subsidiary of AMC, which would be Hycroft, because we own 22% of it. And getting in Hycroft, people, I'm telling you, it is my opinion, this is a win-win situation. I own, let me check, so I'm not wrong, 564 shares of Hycroft and several of the options. Like I said, super bullish, and I am ready for this thing to pop off. We're just waiting for the press release from Hycroft and AMC, and whatever that press release is going to say, that's when he's going to give us the AMC Hycroft Gold NFT. I've told y'all from, 2 months now, I believe the Hycroft Gold NFT was a clue to us of what Adam Aaron was doing, and it looks as if things are starting It looks as if institutional investors are starting to pile into the company. Why? Because they know. They know. They know this shit way before we get the news, people. They know what's going on with Hycroft. They know how much money and how much gold they have found already, or else Adam Aaron wouldn't be saying several months ago that he would give us a Hycroft Gold NFT if they didn't have some type of substantial information for us coming up soon. So, there you go. With all the plays that are going on out there, and people want to know, what about this stock? What about that stock? This is the stock you need to be focused on right now, I believe. And it's just my humble opinion. And with that, I got some other things coming up. I've got a letter here that somebody sent me that's basically just a copy and paste. All you have to do is put in the name of the company, AMC Entertainment Holdings, and send a letter off to AA. So I'll be working on that video. Also, I've got a guy who wants to ask this question, an AMC question, and at the end of the question, he wants to know if we're really that stupid. So I'll be talking about this guy, the AMC question, and the slot machine mentality. Coming up in the next video. Love y'all. Be blessed. See you then.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here wildin' and it's too much, I can't take it. Red pill, blue pill, my mind knew they were shaping. Sound the alarm.